Welcome back, diecast collectors. I have the newest release from Auto World, 2021 release 1. And so this is set A, and this is set B. So these are starting to hit hobby dealers and should be hitting stores soon. You might have seen other people opening these cases online as well, but I just got mine in the mail today, and so I wanted to open them up for you guys so you can see what's in them if you haven't seen it already, or you can ride along with me as we look for a chase. Possibly a chase. So I haven't opened these, I haven't pulled a chase out of an Auto World case in a while, but if you go back and look at my Auto World playlist, you can see the other Auto World releases that I have opened, and I've actually pulled out a raw before, so here we go. So here's the first one pulled out of the box. So it is the 1992 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo in white. That looks really nice in the white. So that looks good. Here we have the 1993 Toyota Supra in Alpine Silver. So that looks really good. First Asian car, I guess, from Auto World. Here we go, the 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1 in Hyper Blue. So that looks alright, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of the new Camaro. I think since it came out, they've kind of messed around with it too much, and now it doesn't look good anymore. Here we got the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack in pitch black, which is also amazing. Here we have the 1981 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side in carmine white. And actually, hold on a second. So sorry for that pause. I wanted to show you guys what the Ultra Reds for these this series is going to look like. It's going to follow the version A cars, and this one is probably going to throw a lot of people for a loop, especially if you end up getting this from a secondhand person or online. From an online seller. You want to know what you're going to look for, and this pictures of this is probably going to look misleading. So if you want the Ultra Red of this, you can see that there's it's a different shade of red, but then these are also going to have an Ultra Red base. Okay, so see that there? This is the Ultra Red up here on top, and it's going to have the red base. This is the non-Ultra Red down here on the bottom, and it just has an unpainted metal base. So make sure that if you're going to buy the Ultra Red from someone online, that you know which one you're getting, so you're not disappointed, because these do not have red tires or white tires this time. They have the same color interior, just they have the Ultra Red base, and then the color of the car is going to be Ultra Red. Other than that, they're going to be a little, this one's going to be a little sneakier for you. So just so you guys know, and then the last one in the version A is, it's exactly the one that I wanted to find an Ultra Red in. Look at that. So here is the 1965 Chevy Suburban. It's supposed to be light green, and it's got the light green wheels. And look, so there's the Ultra Red base. So that's really exciting to get the Ultra Red Suburban. So I'm pretty stoked about that, but that means I've got to find a green one. But no, so that's incredibly cool. All right, so let's go into the second box with version B. We're gonna do the same thing. And here we go. So here is the 1992 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo, this time in green, emerald green. So that one looks good. Here we have the 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack in B5 blue, which is also beautiful. I love that B5 blue. Here we have the 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1 in red hot. So this is an enamel red. This is not the ultra red. Even though it's hard to see on camera the difference, it does have a plain metal base. So we know that's not an ultra red. Here is the 1981 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side in midnight black and silver poly. So that one looks really good as well. And then we have, here's the 1993 Toyota Supra in super white, which I'm cool with that as well. And last but not least, here we go, we have the 1966 Chevy Suburban, this time in orange. And that looks also really, really good. So there you go, that is Auto World 2021 Release 1. We scored an Ultra Red, which is pretty amazing. So I'm pretty stoked about that. And all these cars are really good this time, so that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with this release. So be sure to check out my Auto World playlist. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe. That'll help me out a lot. And if you hit that bell, you'll get a notification every time that I make a new video. Happy hunting. We'll talk to you soon.